You don't need a big fancy studio in order to just make really great stories. I love making podcasts, and today I really want to help give you the tools so that you can make a podcast that blows people's minds. I'm going to take you behind the mic. I'm going to show you what part of it is craft and what part of it is business and what part of it is storytelling, and how do you bring all these things together to make something that you're like, damn, that was freaking good. In podcasting, you don't get all of this visual. I want to take you through how I start to incorporate soundscapes and sound design, how to think in audio, and all these little hacks, tips, and tricks and make you a better host, a better writer, a better producer. And I will literally go out, record, and show you what this might look like in your editing software. People's speech has rhythm, it has feel. You can bump that up in a way that feels almost musical. When you put all of this together, that's where great things come from. So let's get together, let's talk podcasts.